Hey guys, this is a quick video to point out some of the fun items you may want to pick up at Dollar Tree for your outdoor festivities this summer. Let's go check them out. Knot glass and perfect for outdoors with a little tropical flower at the bottom. Bright and bold colors for your plates and napkins. Lime and lemon napkins, and the watermelon just looks so real, doesn't it? And of course, these are the matching plates for those. A couple more napkins, and then we get the dish towels. These are paper straws with little motifs at the top. The middle one is an umbrella. Pineapple placemats, and one that's a big tropical leaf. A variety of summer banners if you're having like a pool party. These paper lanterns are always a big hit for a pop of color. Add some height and drama to your patio table, and it comes in 2 colors. At night it serves as an extra source of light. Hang these convenient solar lights and trees to light up your pathway at night. Dollar Tree is coming out with a lot more planterns, and this one is so convenient with the water hole at the bottom. Not all Dollar Tree stems look realistic enough to make it into your cart, but here are some that could. My recommendation is to always have a good base of greenery stems and intermingle a few of these in there. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already for more content like this. See you next time.